The digital revolution is here. Witness how the world is changing the way it pays, and see where Nigeria leads the charge. In a world where payments are evolving, Nigeria is carving its own path. This is how the world pays and where we fit in.
We must see the bigger picture. Part 1 explores global digital payment shifts. Part 2 brings us home to Nigeria.
Welcome to Part 1, The World First. How different regions pay across the globe, and the fascinating rivalry between the India and Kenya models. We'll continue Part 1 by exploring Africa's cross-border shortcuts, and then look at what's coming next in the global payment landscape.
What is an e-wallet? Simply put, money on your phone instead of your pocket. Load an app, then pay, send, or receive, no cash needed. Cash is fading. 4.5 billion people used a wallet in 2025. Over 2 trillion moved through them. Cash is no longer the default, anywhere.
In 2025, over 4.5 billion people used an e-wallet. That's more than half of everyone alive.
Every wallet gives you 3 key things: no cash needed for daily payments, compatibility with any phone, and most importantly, the security of being backed and regulated by the Central Bank of Nigeria. Your money is protected by the same standards you trust.
Every region pays differently. Cards in North America, QR codes in China, One Rail in India, telecom-led apps across Africa.
Wallets are winning at the checkout. Today, 32% of all point-of-sale purchases worldwide happen through a wallet. That is more than any other payment method.
The takeaway is clear. More and more everyday payments now happen on your phone, not out of a physical wallet full of banknotes. We are witnessing the end of the cash-only era.
In North America, cards still rule, but behavior is changing fast. With Apple Pay and Google Pay, users just tap their phones, replacing plastic entirely.
In Europe, traditional cards are still common, but the landscape is shifting. The old guard is being challenged by a new wave of fintechs.
India built one government rail everyone plugs into. Kenya built one super app, M-Pesa. It's a competitive multi-app market.
In markets like China and India, traditional cards were bypassed entirely. From invisible QR code payments for everything in China to India's government-built UPI system.
In India, the playbook is simple: one rail for all. In May 2026, over 23.2 billion transactions moved through UPI, a massive system that sets the standard.
The system is free, instant, and bank-to-bank. Every bank app in the country plugs into the same rail. No one company owns it.
In Kenya, the playbook is different. One app for everything, capturing nearly 90% of the market. It's the infrastructure for savings, loans, and even stock trading.
With over 17 countries connected and the first Pan-African card scheme added in 2025, PAPSES is creating a faster, cheaper way for the continent to trade.
These transfers will only get faster and cheaper as the network grows. It's a competitive advantage for every African business.
It's the new way Africa pays itself. Now, home Nigeria.
Everything we just covered, tested against one of the fastest-growing, most competitive wallet markets on Earth, Nigeria.
In Part 2, we face the reality of Nigeria. We'll break down the numbers, the apps we actually use, and the rules of the game, from USSD to staying safe from fraud. Let's see what's really happening on the ground.
Millions of Nigerians are joining the digital revolution, and they're here to stay. After the cash shortages of 2023, we saw a permanent shift to apps like OPay and PalmPay.
Nigeria is now one of the world's fastest-growing markets. We are the #1 source of new mobile money accounts in sub-Saharan Africa.
Nigeria's #1 in sub-Saharan Africa for new mobile money accounts. Over 566 trillion moved through e-payments in just H1 2024.
Look at the apps Nigerians actually use every day and explore the pay from apps and USSD to our local agents. Let's get into it.
Nigeria's PalmPay, Moniepoint, Kuda, Momo, and bank apps, all competing hard, which means better cashback, lower fees, more choice for you.
The future of payments is here, and the wallet is getting smarter. With cashback credit built right in, with biometric checkouts and personalized offers, your wallet is learning to work for you.
No smartphone? No problem. Use the app for full features. USSD with zero internet, or an agent for cash in and out.
To protect your money, never share your PIN or OTP. Only use verified agents and always confirm your transactions. Digital fraud is down by 50%, but stay alert.
Fraud losses actually fell by half in 2025 thanks to ID checks. Still, never share your PIN, OTP, or password with anyone. What exactly happened to Nigeria's eNaira? It launched as Africa's first digital currency, but today, fewer than 1% of Nigerians use it. It is still a test case for global digital cash. So what's the bottom line for you? You don't need to worry about the eNaira. Private stablecoins are already seeing real commercial use. Trust lies with apps like OPay and PalmPay.
The future of payments is here, and the wallet is getting smarter, and credit built right in. With biometric checkouts, and your wallet is learning to work for you.
Thank you for your time. Connect with AniediMedia. Like this guide to show your support. Subscribe for more valuable insights. Share it with someone who needs it. Chat with us on WhatsApp to get started.